What's up, guys? My name is Jacob Crabb of Diamond C. I'm with Todd Fitzner here at Renville Sales in Minnesota. We've got a beautiful FMAX 216 behind us, and I'm going to ask Todd here to walk us around it a little bit. Tell us, who the target customer is, or the customer that's buying this one. This one was a custom order, and point out a few of the features. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and then you can kind of walk us through.
So we got an FMAX 216. This trailer is going to a cement contractor and mainly going to be used for hauling their equipment to the different job sites. Pretty large cement contractor here in southwest Minnesota. So this one's got hydraulic jacks, of course. It does have Cush air ride system on it, which is very nice. But yeah, it's got the two 16,000-pound axles on it, which should cover their equipment needs that they need to haul.
Yeah, for sure. It looks like they did the 40K package.
40K package on it, yep.
Yeah. We'll get a little up close look. So looking at the VIN sticker on this one weighs 9470, so it's giving them just over 30,000 pounds of carry capacity. So that's a lot.
Yeah.
On a 40-foot trailer.
Yep.
So what kind of equipment would a concrete contractor typically haul?
Oh, of course, skid loaders and mini excavators are probably a pretty common thing. We get into some of these guys that have got the big ride-on screeders that get to be quite heavy. They've even got the drivable screeders for the cement now that get to be some pretty decent sized equipment to haul.
I gotcha. So walking back to the back, the loading option they chose.
They went with the max ramps on this one. I think they were after the bed space and didn't really have use for the hydraulic tail on this one. So they've got the max ramps on this one, but they definitely wanted the air ride suspension for some of the sensitive equipment that can be on the cement equipment.
Gotcha. I'm sure being they picked blue, there's probably a color scheme there. You never know.
I'm not sure if it matches into their scheme of their logo or anything like that, or maybe some trucks, but maybe it just caught their eye. I mean, it's definitely an eye catcher when it goes down the road.
Gotcha. So tell us if you are in what area to come see you guys.
Well, we serve the whole state of Minnesota. We send trailers all over the state of Minnesota. We send a lot of stuff to eastern South Dakota, North Dakota. So we serve a large area. We've got a little town of 1,100 people. We serve a lot more than just that area.
Sure. All right, guys, Renville Sales, it's a place to go. You can custom order one, or they have all kinds of Diamond Season stock, dumps, equipments, goosenecks, FMAXs, and this is the man, Todd.